Welcome to Accountant Cyrus YouTube channel. Are you a small business owner, freelancer, or an hustler whose income changes every day? Don't worry. Today I will show you how to budget if your income is unpredictable. Some days are good, others are not so much good. This makes it very difficult to plan. But the trick is budgeting based on your lowest income. What you need to do: find your lowest monthly income. Look at the last 3 to 6 months. Pick the lowest earning month as your base. For example, if you want 20,000, 15,000, 12,000, choose 12,000 as your base. The next step: create a priority budget. Start with your most important needs, that is rent, food, transport, and business reinvestment. The next step: pay yourself first. Even if it's small, save something first. 200 shillings weekly is better than zero. Use a flexible expenses list. These are things you only spend when money is good. For example, eating out or buying new clothes. Open 2 mobile wallets, one for regular spending and the other one for savings. Every time you want, split it right away. Even if it's 70-30, that small habit can change your financial future. Irregular income doesn't mean you cannot budget. It simply means you need to be smart about it. Like, subscribe, and share this one with someone who wants weekly or daily. Thank you for watching.